In this video, I will show you exactly how to download your creative projects as high-quality images using Adobe Express. Whether you are designing social media posts or beautiful photos, knowing how to export your work properly is essential for getting the best results. To begin the process, look toward the top right corner of your computer screen, where you will find the main toolbar. You need to click on the button labeled Download to open up your export options. Once the menu appears, you will see a drop-down list containing several different file formats. From this list, go ahead and select the JPG option. This specific format is perfect for photographs and images that need a small file size while still looking professional and sharp. After you have selected the format, Adobe Express will likely ask you to choose your preferred resolution quality. You can choose from small, medium, or large depending on how you plan to use the final image. I usually recommend selecting the large option if you want the highest level of detail for printing or high-definition displays. If you just need something quick for a simple website or email, the medium or small settings will work just fine and help save space on your hard drive. Once you have